Hey everyone, I recently had the opportunity to get an early look at the Huawei Pura X, the latest flip phone from Huawei, and it's safe to say that the design is nothing short of stunning. While we're still in the process of exploring all its features, we've managed to capture some hands-on photos and will soon be releasing a detailed hands-on video and review. For now, here's a quick overview of what makes the Pura X stand out. Before diving into the specifics, take a moment to check out our hands-on images of the device. Pura X features a unique 6.3-inch foldable OLED display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which feels significantly taller and more spacious compared to most flip phones we've encountered. Complementing this is 3.5-inch outer screen with a square 1:1 aspect ratio, perfect for quick notifications and mirror selfies. Both displays support a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, along with 1440 Hz PWM dimming, ensuring smooth scrolling and animations while being gentle on the eyes. Huawei has clearly prioritized durability and design in the Pura X. The phone incorporates a basalt water drop hinge, a titanium alloy support layer, and a composite super tough laminated structure, making it both sleek and robust. The IPX8 water resistance rating adds an extra layer of reassurance for everyday use, and the device feels solid yet elegant in hand. When it comes to camera capabilities, the Pura X doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with 50 megapixels primary sensor, featuring an f1.6 aperture, 40 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 8 megapixels 3.5x telephoto lens. Additionally, Huawei has included a 1.5 megapixels multispectral red maple main color camera, which we'll explore further in our full review as we test its AI imaging features. Under the hood, the Pura X is powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. The 4,720 mAh silicon carbon battery is designed to last all day, supported by 66-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging capabilities, ensuring you stay powered up without hassle. The phone runs on Harmony OS 5, which promises enhanced privacy features and seamless performance. We'll be putting these claims to the test in our full review. The Pura X is available in 3 standard colors: Moonshadow Gray, Zero White, and Magic Night Black, along with stylish red and green leather-backed collector's editions. Pricing in China starts at approximately $1,034, with sales kicking off on March 30th. Stay tuned for our in-depth review, where we'll share our comprehensive hands-on experience and detailed insights into the Huawei Pura X. This device is shaping up to be a strong contender in the flip phone market, and we're excited to see how it performs in real-world usage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.